How to clear RAM on iOS 17. First of all, tap on Settings, then scroll down and select Face ID and Passcode. Scroll down again and then tap on Turn Passcode Off. Why do we have to turn the passcode off for this? Well, because there is a bug on iOS 17 that doesn't let you clear the RAM when the passcode is turned on. You gotta trust me on this. So to temporarily turn the passcode off now, tap on Turn Passcode Off. Then enter your passcode. And your passcode is now turned off. Now in the upper left corner of the screen, tap on Settings. Now tap on Accessibility and tap on Touch. Select Assistive Touch on top and turn on Assistive Touch. Once you've done that, go back to the home screen. And now on the left side of your phone, you have to tap on Volume Up and then on Volume Down. And then on the right side of the phone, you have to press and hold on the big button. You have to do this fairly quickly. So let's do that now. Volume up, volume down, big button on the right side. And you should then get to this screen here. Now tap on the accessibility circle and long press on home. And just like that, you cleared RAM on iOS 17. When you open up an app now, you will see some short flickering. And that is proof that the RAM has reset. Have you seen this? That's exactly what I meant. Please note that this method only works if you temporarily turn the passcode off. If you don't do that, when you actually press the home button, nothing at all will happen. You can now go to the settings and turn the passcode on again. And this is how you clear RAM on iOS 17. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe for more iOS and Mac tutorials.